is happening, man? You already know what it is. Dream Chasing Jill, back with another banger. As you can see in the thumbnail, your girl about to get a new mod for the whip, man. Hey, this mod about to set it off. I'm not gonna lie. We got people out here driving crazy. This man got about 55 million cartons on his truck. I'm gonna get away from him. But yeah, man, I'm about to get a new mod on this thing, man. Heading over to, you know, the infamous MODFX Customs, you know what I'm saying? About to get me right. As you can see, I'm lit. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm always happy, especially when I'm about to do something new to the whip, man. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. When I get there, I'm going to tap back in with you and show y'all what's going on. Alright, guys. So I just got some MODFX. Got them on the bike, you know what I'm saying? Got the scooter thing. I just got here. They already got the whip in the garage. About to get this thing started, man. I'm excited, ready to see how this thing gonna look. It's kind of windy, but it feels good out here. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? We got some celebrities here today, too. Got my boy tjtolive in the building. You know what I'm saying? Adventures with DEMARCUS, and you already know. That boy Rand gonna get you right and get you in and out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. I never had the bumper took off of here. Not even for the wrap, so it's about to be crazy. I told y'all we got some celebrities out here.
Yo. Oh, I didn't know it. What you like? I didn't know it too. She's so quiet.
We got some celebrities out here.
Oh no, he's a celebrity. I ain't no celebrity.
Mr. Red Eye, Mr. 7. What, Mr. 797, Big Red Eye, 2021, you know what I'm talking about?
You have some white on your lip.
I don't even care. Hey, my man still in college, about to up the red eye, he doing it.
He famous.
School is cool.
I'm not famous.
He's famous.
Thank you, Randall.
What you putting on your car though? What you putting on your car though?
Go ahead and get that Scatpack grill, get the little snorkel thing going.
I'm gonna still talk
So this is gonna be the 2019 snorkel grill. It has an updated look to the car, and of course you get the snorkels too. What some people do, they paint them. And so you can paint the snorkels like yellow or something to go with the wrap, or even put like the same pattern on there. Get them painted like the Destroyer gray. Put that same pattern. It'll add a little sauce to the front end of your car. Just something to think about. Then the lower grill, most people only get the top, and then you have mismatched grills. But in your case, you're doing it right. Full bust down top and bottom. So that's the way to do it. But you do have to pull the bumper off to get the top and bottom on. But if you do it, one hit wonder. Get the bumper off, top, bottom, you're done, you're good to go.
So you don't have to, like, if I want to put something on the snorkels, I don't have to take it off again?
No, they pop off.
Oh, okay.
It's easy to pop them off with the bumper off now. Let's say if you go get them hit up like next week. But if not, you just gotta finesse them off or whatever with like a little panel tool. Or buy some more, they're like 40 bucks, buy some more, get them done, then swap them out at once. And then sell them off to somebody else. So different ways to do it.
My boy Zay TRD, Mr. Ooey, is in the building himself, man. Look at that. He rocking the good old merch, you know what I'm talking about? Always showing love and support, man. Ooh-wee. Drip check. Drip check. Drip check.
Work today.
Okay. Oh, that boy said that. Okay. All right, man. Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
Man, got the ZTRD Vasco.
All right.
Y'all go subscribe.
Yes, sir. Look at that support, man. It's real. Real out here. Yes, sir.
Fresh, you know, got the red, the black on.
Yes, sir.
Y'all that
Drip check. Drip check. Drip check. Drip check. Guys, I never, since I had this car, I think I had it a year now. Shout out to that. I never got the bumper removed. Like, as you can see, I had the regular headlights. I don't have any headlights installed as far as mods. I'm actually scared to do that, so that's why I don't have any headlights installed. Hey, that thing look nasty. Like, it got a lot going on. I never even noticed all this stuff. Well, duh, I never had the bumper off. But yeah. Ooh. Alright guys, so this is the final product right here. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, it looks totally different now, and I'm definitely feeling that. Oh, I do have a surprise, another surprise coming for y'all. I finally made up my mind. Yes, I'm very indecisive, but I do have a surprise. Got that boy Rand doing what he do, getting the cars right. But yeah, man, that boy Zay came through.
Man, yeah, for the support, man.
Y'all
Y'all
go
subscribe to our channel, man. Y'all go subscribe.
Wind
This
blowing.
apple look good.
Yeah. I'm feeling that, for real, for real. Yeah, man. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. I'm saying, subscribe to ZTRD. Yes, sir. Mr. Uwe in the building. You know what I'm saying? 1K, I'm on the way. You know what I'm saying?
For the 1K, I'm at 2K.
That wind blowing. 2K, 1K, that's 3K. You know what I'm saying? Shake the hate. You know what I'm saying? Show the love. You know what I'm saying?
Bars,
Yes,
man.
sir. Back on the freestyle, man. But yeah, man. Chase y'all dreams. Don't let nobody, nothing stop you from what you trying to do or who you trying to become, man. We going up all 2021. You know what I'm saying? Big chasing status. But with that being said, your girl dream chasing Geo.
I'm chasing dreams, 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 I'm chasing dreams.